Jeffrey M. Benek. He just got a ClickFunnels tattoo. What?
What's up, everybody? Funnel Doc here. So today we're going to talk about how to make money with ClickFunnels, specifically with affiliate marketing / like MLM, network marketing, things like that. Now, normally when you start out with a network marketing, MLM, affiliate product, the number one problem is they give you a page to send it to, like a landing page of some site, sort of like the sales pages like we've discussed before. Then what they do is on this specific page, they'll have a link. Let's pull up ClickFunnels real quick here. So here's an example of what a link would look like. You see right here, it says affiliate ID. It has my number in it. And when I open this up, it goes to a special page that they use to sell. Again, a sales page, just like we talked about before, but it's got my specific ID in there. And they do this for network marketing and MLMs and different things like this. And this is amazing, especially when you're starting out and you don't have a product. This allows you to get in the game and be able to use a proven product from someone else, like ClickFunnels. I love ClickFunnels. I'm an affiliate for them. I think they're amazing. I'm actually an affiliate for every product that I use and recommend to people. And that's why I recommend it to you too, is if there's a product you use, there's a good chance you can go out and there's an affiliate offer. So if you're using some type of software, maybe you're using ClickFunnels, maybe you're using Marketer Magic, maybe you're using Zoom, who knows, whatever you're using, if you're talking about it on a regular basis, get an affiliate for it, get their links so that way you can start making money on it. Now, the problem herein lies that if I send someone to this page right now, sure, they're tracked, but what happens to them after that? I have no control over it. I have no way to make sure that they're going to do, to follow up or anything. So say they come here and they don't make the sale, this doesn't convert for whatever, I don't have a chance to follow up with them. And the sad thing is usually at the most you're looking at a 10%, sales or conversion. So therefore that means 10 out of 100 people buy, but that also means 90 out of 100 do not. And if they don't buy, what happens then? Well, if you don't have the ability to create a list to get their name, to get their email, they float away into the internet, in void, just to never be seen again potentially. So what you want to do is create what we call an affiliate bridge page. Now, again, traffic can come from anywhere, your Facebook profile, ads, emails, YouTube ads. The sources are limitless that you can use to get traffic to this link, this affiliate link I was talking about, and therefore to your bridge page. Now, what a bridge page does is it actually bridges the gap between you and the product you're selling for another company. So therefore, let's say you're selling ClickFunnels. An example I have right here is the Traffic Secrets book. This is a funnel that I put together that's a share funnel in my other course called CF Affiliate Pro, where it teaches you how to be a professional ClickFunnels affiliate and sell the product. This is one of the templates you get when you're in there. But as you can see, when I come here, they'll have a video. This video normally would be a video of myself or whoever, is the affiliate for this, talking about how amazing this product is and bridging the gap, talking about why people should get it, what is the difference between this and everything else, and then really gives an in-depth view of the product. Maybe it's a review of it, whatever it is, but it helps to relate you to the product so that people understand it. Also, the one other problem besides collecting info with affiliate marketing when you just send people to your link is everybody's doing the same thing. So let me ask you this, how are you competitive? If you're an affiliate marketer, how are you competitive against everyone else that's sending someone to this page right here? Let me tell you how. You create what's called an affiliate bonus offer, and this is how we do that. So like I said, this is the funnel or example of a funnel. Your video would go right here explaining everything. Here, this is for Traffic Secrets. Now, here's the cool thing about Traffic Secrets and Russell is not only does he give away these books and stuff, but they give away bonuses. So what I do is here's bonus number 1 that they're going to give away, and here's bonus number 2, 3, 4, 5. So that's not it at all. So you get all those. And then on my templates, I have it set up, but that's not all. Today, when you when you order your free copy, you also get, sorry about that. I'll change that up. But when you order your free copy, you also get, and then your affiliate offer would go right here. So for me, like I put ClickFunnels 101, you get that. You're going to get 30 days of traffic secrets, where I go through and every day I'm breaking down a different chapter. You know, you're going to get access to my group. There's all different types of bonuses. So the cool thing is, when you add Russell's bonuses and you add your bonuses, now all of a sudden it creates a different offer where people can't compete with that. Because if I'm just giving everyone this, and then I've got this plus these bonuses too, let's say these bonuses added up to another $500, all of a sudden you got 500 from Russell, you got 500 from me. Who are you going to go buy from? Me with all these other bonuses, or the other guy down the street who doesn't? So this also entices people to sign up on this page, because by entering their name and email, you push this little button right here, this pops up, enter your name and email below to be eligible for my bonuses, and get your free copy of Traffic Secrets. So they come here and then they're able to actually get my bonuses. So this is the importance of the affiliate bridge page, is you're going to come here, it's going to show them your bonuses, it's going to show them what they can get, why they should sign up, and that they need to sign up on your link to be eligible with you. And when they put their name and email, it goes directly to the page. So for instance, if I go here and I enter my stuff, this goes, boom, what do you know, directly to my affiliate ID, just like it was over here, the affiliate ID before. So pretty cool, right? So this allows me to be able to use this for whoever you want, you know, as far as it could be for any product. But the key is the affiliate bridge page that you create using ClickFunnels to go before this affiliate offer, because this is going to allow you to capture people's names, their emails, and be able to remarket to them when they don't buy the first time. Studies are now showing that you need is, with attention spans as low as they are, that you need anywhere from 7 to 12 engagement or touch points, they call them, to be able to get someone to want to buy your product. So, you know, if this is only the first, second, third, or even fifth touch point, they might not be ready to buy. So that's where this email, or collecting their email, their name, so you can follow up with them, falls into place, so that you're able to get those other touch points to them, so that when they're ready to buy, your affiliate MLM network marketing offer is the only thing they're thinking of. So hopefully this explained how ClickFunnels can be used to make money with affiliate marketing. It's really easy to do, and setting up your affiliate bridge page is the way to go about it. If you want to learn more about my CF Affiliate Pro, that's where it teaches you how to actually become a professional ClickFunnels affiliate. There's a link down below. You'll be able to get all templates, emails, everything. It literally shows you how to make like your first $1,000 in 30 days. So check that out if you're interested. Click the link below. There's a button below, and or a link if you're watching this on YouTube. And we'll see you inside. Thanks. Funnel Doc out.